Hey babes, welcome back to my channel, and as y'all read by the title, today I'm doing another handbag haul. Y'all know I love me a good handbag. I love handbags, accessories, shoes. I love handbags, shoes, jewelry, all that. Yeah, I can't wait to show y'all my new bag I just purchased. But before we get into the video, make sure y'all like, subscribe, follow me on my social medias. I'll leave all of that in my channel. I'm gonna give y'all a little second to do that. Okay, so yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is the little dust bag it came in. Has Versace right here on the side. Just gonna open it up. Look how beautiful. I was doing another video. Yeah. So this is a Versace Jean Couture handbag, and it is very, very little. Like, as y'all see, I could just literally hold it in my hand. I'm very small myself. Like, I'm 5'5", 130, 135 pounds. So big handbags do not look cute on me. I look like I'm shoplifting. So I like a cute little bag. I don't know the actual size, like the inches. Give me a second. All right, so this bag is 6.5 inches wide and 5 inches tall. This buckle is not removable. It's just like a flap. So yeah, this is just a part of the design. So don't think you could like actually like unbuckle this part, because you can't. It has a top handle and a removable strap. So as y'all see, the shape is kind of like a half moon. You see, like, I don't even know what this shape is called. And inside it is black and it has a strap. So I'm gonna take this out. And y'all, I have worn this bag like three, 4 times already. So yeah, I was gonna do an unboxing, but I'm always doing unboxing. Like every handbag I get, I do an unboxing. So I wasn't gonna do that today. This is the inside. It's just black. I think it has like Versace like printed inside, and then it has this little emblem right here, and it has 2 pockets. Well, it has 1 pocket and another pocket that's just a zipper. So just zip it, and right here, I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is just another pocket as well. So, and the little authentication card came inside. So this is it. All the details on this are gold, so it's gold hardware. You're not gonna wear like, I mean, it just depends on you. Like every now and then I may mix silver and gold, but the hardware is gold, and the chains on the bag is gold as well. So yeah, the bag is gold and black. But online, when you like go to purchase it, the color is like white, so it's like right here. But the bag is black, and I got it from Saks Fifth online. I'm pretty sure you can go in the store and get it. But where I live, I don't think there's a Saks Fifth. I don't think there's a Saks Fifth around here. Let me see. I had got this online, so. Oh, there is a Saks Fifth in Dallas. Okay, good to know. So I did get this offline. Shipping is free, so you don't have to worry about that unless you need the bag like tomorrow, the next day, then you can pay for that shipping. But if you're not in a rush, shipping is free. I'm trying to see if I'm leaving out any details. Like, this bag is so little, it's not much to talk about. Y'all know it's Versace. Y'all see it's little as this is the bag. I will get to y'all later about this. I'm gonna wear it one more time and tell y'all how it holds up, because honestly, like I said, I've only worn it 3 times, so I can't tell y'all how sturdy it is. But so far so good. You can fit your phone, your wallet, your makeup. Not a whole makeup bag, but you know, like a little lip gloss, lip liner. Put my glasses in here. If you got a taser, you can fit that in there. So it does hold quite a bit, just to say it's so little. But yeah, I mean, if you gotta carry your whole life in a bag, don't get this. So I'm gonna undo the strap as well, so y'all can see what the strap look like, because I don't even know what it looks like either. cute. It has Versace Jean Couture. It has two little clips on the side, so I'm gonna clip it to the bag. And here's the handles right here to clip it to. Super cute. Actually, I'm gonna put it on so I can see. Oh yeah, this is really cute and you can adjust it. So let's see. Oh, that's making it tighter. Let's make it looser. Oh yeah, that is so cute. It looks good with this outfit too. I like this. So that is it for my Versace handbag review. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all like this bag, y'all can go get it. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box below so y'all can click the link and get to it super, super easy. But how do y'all like this hair before we go? Give me a... But how y'all like this hair? Give me a thumbs up or thumbs down if y'all feeling it. Try to do the little clip method, you know, like... I look like a mom on the go, like a bougie mom on the go. But that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all of that. I'll leave all the information in the box below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Without further ado, I'll see y'all next time. Mwah.